ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरोहर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोर्वललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा। मोक्षाधिसारमय भागवताख्यदग्धो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टापयत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं आनन्द चिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are on this beautiful phase of last 10 Dashakams. We have finished the first 6. Today we'll get into the 97th one. Very beautiful again. It's split into two parts. Topic is bhakti only. So it is going to tell about Uttama Bhakti Prarthana Varnana. And then it is going to go into Markandeya Upakhyana. So it's really very beautiful part of Bhagavatam. And Bhattatari ji has brought it out in such precise, concise manner. We can enjoy it. Let us call in our awesome threesomes. Yes, are you ready, my dear? Dashakam 97, Uttama Bhakti Prarthana. त्रैगुण्याद्भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमध्योत्तमय्य
त्रैगुण्याद्भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमध्योत्तमय्यद्
ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरपि च सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः
ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरिपि सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः
त्वत्क्षेत्रत्वन्निषेवादितु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वम्
त्वत्क्षेत्रत्वन्निषेवादितु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वम् त्वत्क्षेत्रत्वन्निषेवादितु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वम्
राहुर्नैर्गुण्यनिष्ठन् तदनुभजनतो मंशुसिद्धो भवेयम्
राहुर्नैर्गुण्यनिष्ठं तदनुभजनतो मक्षुसिद्धो भवेयम् त्रैगुण्याद्भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमध्योत्तमय्यत् ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरिपि मुखं सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः तत्क्षेत्रत्वन्निषेवातु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वं प्राहुर्नैर्गुण्यनिष्ठं तदनुभजनतो मंक्षुसिद्धो भवेयम्
त्रैगुण्यात् भिन्न रूपम. So Traigunyat, from the Trigunas, Bhinna Rupam Bhavati. So many things are there. Okay. Open the camera also. So many Bhinna Rupam Bhavati. So many things are there in the world which are from Trigunas. Like what? Like Bhuvana. In Bhuvane, in this universe, so it is Saptami, in this Bhuvane, and they are constituted as Hina, Madhyama, Uttama, like that gradations are there. There are so many things in the world which are of Triguna, and they have the gradations, Hina, Madhyama, Uttama. Hina is lowest, Uttama is the highest, Madhyama is the middle thing. And what they said, what are so many things in the world, like Jnanam, like knowledge, Shraddha, faith, Karta, the doers of the action. Then what? Vasati, that means the place where one is staying. Then Sukham, the happiness. Then Karma, all the actions. Then Ahara Bheda, and the food. So all these, the second line is giving of what all is of Trigunas and what all, how it is Hina, Madhya, Uttama. Shraddha can be Hina, Madhya, Uttama. Everything is having gradations. And everything is of Triguna. Trigunat, they are happy. From Triguna it is born. First two lines over. Third line. Tvat kshetram. Tvat kshetratva. So your kshetra, Bhattatriji is saying to the Lord, your temple, your kshetratvat nishevadi, your worship too. Yad, iha, over here, punaha, and again, tvat param, devotion to you. Tattu sarvam, and anything that is related to you. Prahuhu, they say, Nairgunya Nishtham. It is not of gunas. It is not Sattva-rajas tamas. Your temple, your worship to you, anything that is done with you, related to you, it is not of Triguna. It is Nairgunya. It is Nirguna. And that's why Tad Anubhajanataha. That's why if Anubhajan, if one follows you, one follows your devotion, one follows worship to you or visiting your temple, Mangshu, immediately, Siddho Bhaveyam, I shall be perfect. So if we go out in the world, we are mixing with the Trigunas, there will be Hina Madhyottama into that, there will be gradations, but following the Lord, there are no, it is beyond the gunas and there are no gradations to it. And in that, if we follow that, we should be perfected. Means perfection in our bhakti, perfection in our devotion to Lord. त्रैगुण्याद्भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमध्योत्तमय्यत् ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरपि सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः त्वत्क्षेत्रत्वं निषेवादितु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वं प्राहुर्नैर्गुण्यनिष्ठं तदनुभजनतो मंशु सिद्धो भवेयम् त्वय्येवन्यस्तवन्यस्त is advitva त्वय्येवन्यस्तचित्तः सुखमयि विचरन् सर्वचेष्टास्त्वदर्थम्
त्वय्येवन्यस्तचित्तः सुखमयि विचरन् सर्वचेष्टास्त्वदर्थम्
त्वद्भक्तैः सेव्यमानानपि च चरितचरानाश्रयन् पुण्यदेशान्
त्वद्भक्तैः सेव्यमानानपि चरितचरानाश्रयन् पुण्यदेशान्
तस्यौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च सममतेर्मुच्यमानावमानस्पर्धासूयादिदोषस् सततमखिलभूतेषु सम्पूजये त्वाम्
दासौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च
दस्यौ
दस्यौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च सममतिर्मुच्यमानावमानस्पर्धासूयादिदोषः सततमखिलभूतेषु सम्पूजये त्वाम् त्वय्येवन्यस्तचित्तः सुखमयि विचरन् सर्वचेष्टास्त्वदर्थम् त्वद्भक्तैः सेव्यमानानपि चरितचरानाश्रयन् पुण्यदेशान् दस्यौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च सममतिर्मुच्यमानावमानस्पर्धासूयादिदोषः सततमखिलभूतेषु सम्पूजये त्वाम्
Sampujaye Tvam. I will worship you. I will worship you how? That is now the whole verse. I will Sampujaye Tvam. I will worship you. How? Tvai eva. First Sandhi. Tvai eva. Tvai eva. Tvai in you. Eva only in you. Nyasta chittaha. Keeping my mind. Nyasta chitta. Chitta mind. Keeping my mind on you, fixed on you, tvai eva, only on you. Sukhamahi vicharan, going about in life, happily living. Sarva cheshtaha tvadartham, all my actions I will do for you only. Sarva cheshtaha tvadartham, for you only my actions. Tvad bhaktaihi, third case plural. By your bhaktas, sevyamanan, where they are going, where they are enjoying, your bhaktas where they are enjoying, or Charita Charan, or in the past where they had gone, Ashrayan Punya Deshan. I will take resort to all such places, all those pilgrim places where your bhaktas are going now and where they had gone in the past. Over there, I will take refuge. Then, third line, Dasyau. Dasya is the robber. Towards the robber. Vipre, toward the Brahmanas. Mrugadishu api, and to all kinds of animals. Samamatihi, in the same angle, balance, equipoised mind. Muchya, mana, avamana, spardha, suya, adidoshaha. Samamati in robber or a brahmana or animal. Samamati. Dasyau vipra mrugadi, samamati. And then muchya, leaving. Muchya is to leave. Leaving mana, avamana. Mana, honor. Avamana, insult. Spardha, competition with others. Suya, jealousy, adi, etc. We have got so many other emotions, negative emotions. Enmity towards others. So, muchya, having dropped out that, muchya, leaving that, satatam, always, akhila bhuteshu, in all beings, sampujayetva. I'll worship you in all beings. See? It is matching our meditation yesterday, if anybody has done. Right? Today we have done the Kavacha, but yesterday we had expanded our vision to everything that is in the world is the Lord. So from my own Krishna, from my altar, I have made that Krishna in the whole universe. So if we develop that vision, then what is a robber, what is a Brahmana, our vision is changing. Whether that person is changing or not, we should not worry. And through this way, I will operate in the world. That I'm operating with others, those others are nothing but you. So this dual bhava, I'm slowly reducing and in expanding my vision of oneness with the Lord. त्वय्येवन्यस्तचित्तः सुखमयि विचरन् सर्वचेष्टास्त्वदर्थम् त्वद्भक्तैः सेव्यमानानपि चरितचरानाश्रयन् पुण्यदेशान् दस्यौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च सममतेर्मुच्यमानावमानस्पर्धासूयादिदोषः सततमखिल भूतेषु सम्पूजयेत्वा. Yes, Anish. Number 3. Ready?
Yes.
त्वद्भावो यावदेषु स्फुरति न विशदन् तावदेवं ह्युपास्तिम्
त्वद्भावो यावदेषु स्फुरति न विशदं तावदेवौह्युपास्तिम्
कुर्वन्नैकात्म्यबोधे झटिति विकसति त्वन्मयोऽहं चरेयम्
कुर्वन्नैकात्म्यबोधे झटिति विकसति त्वन्मयोऽहञ्चरेयम्
त्वद्धर्मस्यास्य तावत् किमपि न भगवन् प्रस्तुतस्य प्रणाशः
त्वद्धर्मस्यास्य तावत् किमपि न भगवन् प्रस्तुतस्य प्रणाशः
यस्मात् सर्वात्मनैव प्रदिश मम विभो भक्तिमार्गं मनोज्ञम्
तस्मात् सर्वात्मनैव प्रदिश मम विभो भक्तिमार्गं मनोज्ञम् त्वद्भावो यावदेषु स्फुरति न विशदं तावदेवौह्युपास्तिम् कुर्वन्नैकात्म्यबोधे झटिति विकसति त्वन्मयोऽहञ्चरेयम् त्वद्धर्मस्यास्य तावत् किमपि न भगवन् प्रस्तुतस्य प्रणाशः तस्मात् सर्वात्मनैव प्रदिश मम विभो भक्तिमार्गं मनोज्ञम्.
Thank you, my dear. Okay. Tvad-bhavaha. Tvad-bhavaha, seeing you, seeing your bhava, seeing you. Yavat, till I'm seeing you. Eshu. Eshu means the previous list. What was the previous list? Seeing your bhava in these. In these are what? The dasyau, vipra, mrugadi, sarva, bhuta. Eshu. In all these, till yavat, till tvad bhava, I see you. Sphuratina vishadam. Till I don't see you very clearly in this. Tavat, till then, evam he upastim kurvan. Till then, I will worship like this only. Till then, I'll practice. Right now, I see it as a dog and an animal, Brahmana and a robber. I am having a dual vision now. But I'll keep this in mind that it is you. Until I get to see you in them, I'll continue to develop that vision of yours in everything that is in this world. Okay. Then, how long? Aikatmya bhava bodhe. And when this ekatma bhava bodha, that bodha happens, that knowledge happens to me of oneness, jhatiti vikasati. It will immediately, so once I'm practicing, one day suddenly, jhatiti vikasati, it will develop this knowledge of ekatma bhava, it will develop. Tvan mayoham chareyam. That time, I shall be chareyam ro. Tvan maya means with complete identification with you. Tvan maya I will become. Like Suvarna maya means completely, which is Suvarna, gold. So like that, Tvan maya, complete identification with you. Aham chareyam, I will go about everywhere. Tvad dharmasya asya tavat. Tvad asya dharmasya, tvad dharmasya, your dharma, Bhagavad dharma. To live like this in bhakti, to eat like this only, not harm, to develop your vision. This dharma, tavat, till then, kimapi na bhagavan. Oh Lord, prastutasya pranashaha. When prastutaha, when you have begun on this dharma, na pranashaha, it doesn't die. So we are all growing only into it. This will not disappear from us. Whatever we have developed so far will remain with us. We only have to develop it fully. From here, we cannot go down from here. We'll go up only from here. So that's one nice assurance coming in third line. Tasmat, therefore, sarvatmana eva pradisha. Pradisha, you give me, you show me, sarvatmana, this towards all, this total vision you gave me, mama vibho, oh my Lord, bhakti margam manodnyam, this bhakti marga, this path of devotion, manodnyam, is so pleasing to the mind. Tvad-bhavo yavadeshu sphurati na vishadam तावदेवं ह्युपास्तिं कुर्वन्नैकात्म्य बोधे झटिति विकसति त्वन्मयोऽहञ्चरेयम् त्वद्धर्मस्यास्य तावत् किमपि न भगवन् प्रस्तुतस्य प्रणाशः तस्मात् सर्वात्मनैव प्रदिश मम विभो भक्ति मार्गं मनोज्ञम्. Very beautiful. Okay. Adults can raise hands. Lalitama. Number 4. Tanchainam bhakti yogam dradhaitu maine sadhyamarogyamayurdishtya tatrapi sevyam tava charanamaho भेषजायेव दुग्धम्.
तञ्चैनं भक्तियोगं दृढयतु मयि मे साध्यमारोग्यमायुर्दृष्ट्या तत्रापि सेव्यं तव चरणमहो भेषजायेव दुग्धम्.
Markandeyo hi purvam ganakanigadidadvadashabdayuruchaihi.
मार्कण्डेयो हि पूर्वं गणकनिगदितद्वादशाब्दायुरुच्चैः
सेवित्वा वत्सरन्त्वान् तव भटनिवहैर्द्रावयामास मृत्युम्.
सेवित्वा वत्सरं त्वां तव भटनिवहैर्द्रावयामास मृत्युम् तञ्चैनं भक्तियोगं दृढयितुमयि मे साध्यमारोग्यमायुर्दृष्ट्या तत्रापि सेव्यं तव चरणमहो भेषजायेव दुग्धम् मार्कण्डेयो हि पूर्वं गणकनिगदितत् द्वादशाब्दायुरुच्चैः सेवित्वा वत्सरं त्वां तव भटनिवहैर्द्रावयामास मृत्युम्.
So now over here he says, Tam cha enam bhakti yogam. So enam bhakti yogam. So this bhakti yoga, dradhayitum, to make it dradha, to make it firm. Ai, O Lord, me, for me, sadhyam arogya ayu. Give me health and give me long life. This bhakti needs to become established in me. It has to become firm in me. For that I need some time. And not only some time, I need a healthy lifespan also. Some headache comes and finishes. Satna is out of the window. Okay. Very few will be like Lataji, even who is coughing, also want to submit the audio of memorization in the cough. Okay. So we need health also. And we need lifespan also. And Dishtya, that fortunate, Tatrapi, over there also, Savyam Tvacharanam. So if you want a long life and all, luckily in that marg also we need to be done save of your charana only. Means devotion to you only. I am asking for devotion to be strong, for which I need long life and health. And to get long life and health, I have to pray to you only. So this is fortunate. So this is how fortunate. The example Drishtanta given is that Bheshajayeva Dugdham. Like for medicine, you have to drink milk. Those who don't like milk, then it is a problem. But people like me who love drinking milk so much. So if you get milk only as a medicine, then it's really... So to do your worship for long life is like getting medicine, like getting milk as medicine. So it's pleasing thing only. Nothing to get long life, not something else has to be done. I'm praying for you. You give me long life. But for long life, I need to pray to you only. So it is for medicine, milk. So nice. Then another story is starting. Then he says, Markandeya hi Purvam, like earlier, in a long time ago, Markandeya Purvam, earlier, Ganaka Nigadita. Ganaka, the one who counts, the astrologers, Nigadita, predicted Dvada Shabda, 12 years Ayuhu Uchchehe. That Markandeya will not live for more than 12 years, like that the astrologers had predicted. But Sevitva Vatsaram Tvam. Tvam Sevitva, Vatsaram Sevitva. But for 1 year, he did his sadhana. Markandeji, he did his sadhana for 1 year. And Tava Bhata Nivahaihi. Tava Bhata Nivahaihi, by your emissaries, by Vishnu Dutas. Tava means yours. Bhattatariji is saying to Lord, Tava, your Bhattanivahai, your emissaries, your Vishnu Dutas, along with them, Dravayamasa Mrityum. Markandeya's death was chased away. By Markandeya's 1 year bhakti, Vishnu Dutas and Markandeya chased away the death which was imminent on him. Yeah, so that's the power. We want long life, pray to Lord. Not simply long life to sit and cry more in this samsara. Then don't ask anything. Better go fast. But asking for devotion, and living life with devotion, living life with happiness, and that happiness which never ends, and then giving that happiness to others also, not happiness for you and giving headache to others. Finish. That is also a problem. So we can't be a burden on somebody. Our presence should make others' life lighter. Kanchainam bhakti yogam dradhaitumaine sadhyamarogyamayurdrit. Kanchainam bhakti yogam dradhaitumaine sadhyamarogyamayurdishtya tatrapi sevyan tava charanamaho bheshajaye vadugdham. मार्कण्डेयो हि पूर्वं गणकनिगदितद्वादशाब्दायुरुच्चैः सेवित्वा वत्सरं त्वां तव भटनिवहैर्द्रावयामास मृत्युम्. So now the part 2 of the same 97 Dashakam is going. So now from here it is Markandeyopakhyanam starts now. Lataji.
Varshaji, we don't have to say Govindanama Sankirtanam after this 4 verses.
No.
No, straight away move on to the next.
Move on. Otherwise also we were not saying anywhere only. We were moving on only.
Oh, were we? Okay, I can't remember. I see. Okay. Right.
We are moving on. We are not saying anywhere. And then last parand we thought we will add Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste, like that we thought we'll go slow in our speed. We will add that verse so that we are tuned to the next chandas which is changing, like that in the last parand we had said.
Okay.
Okay, let us start. Number 5. Markandeyaschirayussa khalu punarapi tvatparah pushpabhadra tire ninye tapasyan natula sukharati shattu manvantarani.
Markandeyaschirayus sakhalu punarapi tvatparah pushpabhadra tire ninye tapasyanatula sukharati shattu manvantarani.
Devendra saptamastam surayuvati marun manmathair mohayishyan.
Devendre saptamastam surayuvati marun manmathai mohayishyan.
Yogoshma plushyamanayir natu punarashakat vajjanan nirjayet kaha.
Yogoshma plushyamanayir natu punarashakat vajjanan nirjayet kaha. Markandeyaschirayus sakhalu punarapi tvatparah pushpabhadra tire ninye tapasyanatula sukharati shattu manvantarani. Devendra saptamastam surayuvati marun manmathair mohayishyan. Yogoshma plushyamanayir natu punarashakat vajjanan nirjayet kaha.
Very beautiful. See, Markandeyaha Chirayu. So he was supposed to live only now 12 years, but now he becomes Chirayu, long living. And Sakhalu Punaha, even after that also, again, Tvatparaha only. He was dwelling on Lord only. On you only he was dwelling. Tvatpara, he has given his mind completely to you. And Pushpa Bhadra Tire, on the banks of this river Pushpa Bhadra, Ninye, staying over there, tapasyan. He was doing more tapasya. For how long? Shattu manvantarani. For 6 manvantaras he was doing tapasya. Atula sukha ratihi. Atula means which we cannot compare. In that sukha he was ratihi. So he was in that bliss. And atula where you cannot compare. Tulana where you cannot do is atula. Tula comparison. Atula incomparable. Incomparable sukha ratihi. He was in that joy for 6 manvantaras. That time what happened? This Devendra, here comes Devendra. Which Devendra? Saptama, the 7th Indra. The 7th Devendra Astam. He comes. He comes and does what? Sura Yuvati. Sura is gods. So divine Yuvati, divine Apsaras, he brings. Marut, he brings a cool, nice, pleasant breeze. Manmatha, with the Kamadeva. Mohaishan, he tries to seduce Markandeya with all these things. Nice breeze, Kamadeva, Apsaras. Indra tries to distract Markandeya. But Markandeya's Yogoshma, the heat of his yogic power, Plushyamanihi, they burnt all these damsels and Kama and everything. His Yogoshma burnt all these things. Then the last line is so beautiful. Punaha shakat tvajjanam nirjayet kaha. Punaha shakat, so they did not shakat, they did not succeed. Then that last word phrases tvajjanam nirjayet kaha. Your devotees, who can defeat? Tvajjanam, Bhattatriji is saying to the Lord, your devotees, nirjayet kaha, who can win over them? Nobody. See, once you have tasted Lord's sweetness, no other sweetness is going to attract. So let then Apsara come, or let then whoever come. So when the small boy Nachiketa also had so much, right? 8-year-old. Yama offered him what all. We would have easily taken it. He offered health, he offered long life, he offered kingliness, he offered so much wealth, he offered so much prosperity. Nachiketa, 8-year-old, didn't fall for it. If you see the list in Kathopanishad, you will really feel, oh, I could have got a little bit of that at least. Nachiketa didn't. He said, I want that thing which you see. I want that, not this. Because this is so much. But there will be one point that this so much is also going to finish. I want that something which you are seeing, which is not finishing. It's very beautiful Upanishad. We remember Nachiketa while remembering Markandeya. Markandeya also turned it down. He didn't have to turn it down. He didn't have to take any efforts only. They all got burnt on themselves only because he was not getting melted seeing that. His yoga ushma was so much. So may our also devotion increase so much that nothing else attracts us than Lord. मार्कण्डेयश्चिरायुः खलु पुनरपि त्वत्परः पुष्पभद्रातीरे निन्ये तपस्यन्नतुलसुखरतिः षट्तु मन्वन्तराणि देवेन्द्रः सप्तमस्तं सुरयुवतिमरुन्मन्मथैर्मोहयिष्यन् योगक्ष्मप्लुष्यमानैर्न तु पुनरशकत्वज्जनं निर्जयेत् कः. See, in that last note of S.N. Shastri, after this verse meaning has given, there are 14 Manvantaras in one day of Brahma, which lasts for 1,000 Chatur Yugas. Now you just see what is the span of Chatur Yuga. All the 4 yugas should finish. And like that 1,000 Chatur Yuga, and such a 1,000 Chatur Yuga is Brahmaji's one day. And in that one day, there are these 14 Manvantaras. So we can't imagine only that time span. 4,35,000 or something is only Kali Yuga years. Kali Yuga years are this in lakhs. Only one Yuga. Then Kruta Dwapar Sat, everything is there. And like that, 1,000 yugas. And that 1,000 yugas is one day. In that 14 manvantaras, that span you see. So unimaginable span, we say it infinite only time. But according to them, that span is also going to go. Okay, 100 years also we feel so much, right? So now, then this present Manvantara is the 7th Manvantara, where Vaivasvatu Manu is there. And there is a new set of gods such as Indra, Yama, etc. for each Manvantara. The names of the preceding 6 Manvantaras, what have finished so far, is Swayambhuva, Swarochisha, Auttama, Tamasa, Raivata, and Chakshusha. So we have to see Markandeya Puran for full details of this. One by one, we should start possessing Manvan Puranas. I've got all 18 Puranas eventually, so you all should also buy. Because somewhere it will be there, somewhere 1 or 2 page we will read, somewhere it should be there. No? Not bringing only is better than having something. Every birthday or marriage anniversary or something or whoever, in memory of parents, in memory of this also, whoever, 1 Purana is brought, 1 Purana is brought. Instead of buying something, buy one Purana, and now such a reference come, then we take it as a reference book. Pick up Markandeya Purana, flip the page, see the description. Be happy with that small reading only. Somewhere small to start. Better than not having anything. Like now Mahabharata has come into our houses because of that session. Otherwise, what they were saying, don't bring Mahabharata in the house, fight will start. As if everybody's houses were peaceful by not bringing Mahabharata. Every house is having fight only. And on top of that, they are saying, don't bring Mahabharata, fight will happen. What more fight to happen? I think now the house is peaceful after bringing Mahabharata because now we know that we are not supposed to fight. Anyways, next. One minute. Number 6. प्रीत्या नारायणाख्यस्त्वमथ नरसखः प्राप्तवानस्य पार्श्वम्.
प्रीत्या नारायणाख्यस्त्वमथ नरसखः प्राप्तवानस्य पार्श्वम्.
तुष्ट्या तोष्टूयमानः स तु विविधवरैर्लोभितो नानुमेने.
तुष्ट्या तोष्टूयमानः स तु विविधवरैर्लोभितो नानुमेने.
द्रष्टुं मायां त्वदीयां किल पुनरवृणोद्भक्तितृप्तान्तरात्मा. So SN Shastri, correct. Rama, he has written Ratma. 1/2 the is missing over there. Truptantaratma. Antaratma, 1/2 the.
द्रष्टुं मायां त्वदीयां किल पुनरवृणोद्भक्तितृप्तान्तरात्मा.
Correct. Maya dukkhanabhijñastadapi mrugayate nūnamascharya hetoho.
माया दुःखानभिज्ञस्तदपि मृगयते नूनमाश्चर्यहेतोः. प्रीत्या नारायणाख्यस्त्वमथ नरसखः प्राप्तवानस्य पार्श्वम्. तुष्ट्या तोष्टूयमानः स तु विविधवरैर्लोभितो नानुमेने. द्रष्टुं मायां त्वदीयां किल पुनरवृणोद्भक्तितृप्तान्तरात्मा. माया दुःखानभिज्ञस्तदपि मृगयते नूनमाश्चर्यहेतोः.
Such a beautiful thing is happening over here now. Let's remember Nachiketa. Pritya. So Pritya, out of love, by love. नारायण नारायणाख्यः त्वम् अथ नरसखः. You as Narayana and Narasakha with Nara Narayana, companion Nara, Pritya, out of love, Praptavan Asya Parshvam, Asya, in front of him, Parshvam, in front of him, Praptavan. You appeared in front of Narayana, appeared in front of Markandeya in the form of Nara and Narayana. Then, seeing both of you, Tushtya, he became happy. Toshtuya Manaha. He started praising the Lord because he was so happy. Who? Markandeya. And Sahatu, he Vividhavaraihi Lobhitaha na Anumene. Lord was trying to give him so many boons. But na Anumene. He did not mind them. Narayana is offering boons on Markandeya, and Markandeya is not wanting any boons. He doesn't want anything. But what he wanted, he tells them, Drashtum, I want to see Mayam Twadiyam. Your Maya I want to see. Who? Markandeya is saying to the Lord, I want to see your Maya. Punaha avrunot bhakti truptantaratma. He wanted to say that his bhakti trupta, his mind is antaratma, his heart, his mind is antaratma bhakti trupta, he's soaked in bhakti and he's content in the bhakti. He doesn't want anything else. And because he's so much content, fourth line, Maya Dukkhan Abhitnyaha. He doesn't know what is sorrow. He doesn't know what is sorrow. And Mrugayate. It was like a wonder for him that what could be this Maya? One who is completely happy and he is not knowing sorrow. So he says to Lord that I want to see your Maya. As a wonder. Something which is not there is a wonder for us. And we have not experienced. That is a wonder. So for him, this is a wonder. So, Nunam Ascharya Hetoho, this is that wonder. And that is what I want to see. One wants what one doesn't have, right? He has full of happiness. He wants to see the sorrow because he has never experienced a sorrow. And he says, I want to see what is Maya. We have guts to ask this. Because we are in plenty of Maya, we are soaked in Maya. We will ask what we don't have, and but a little bit of your darshan or your devotion is enough. Pritya Narayanakhyaствamath narasakha praptavanasya parshvam Tushtya toshtuyamanasatu vividhavarair lobhito nanumene Drashtum Mayan Tvadiyan Kila Punaravrinad Bhakti Triptantaratma Maya Dukkhana Bhitnyas Tadapi Mrugayate Nunamascharya Heto. He is hunting out of wonder that what could be thus Maya. Mrugayate, hunting. Number 7. Sumanaji. Yate tvaya shuvata kula jalada galatoya purnati ghurnat saptarno rashi magne jagati satujale sambhraman varsha koti.
याते त्वय्याशु वाताकुलजलदगलत्तोयपूर्णातिघूर्णात् सप्तार्णो राशिमग्ने जगति सतो जले सम्भ्रमन् वर्षकोटिः
Dīnah praikshishta dure vatadala shayanam kanchidascharya balam.
दीनः प्रैक्षिष्टदूरे वटदलशयनं कञ्चिदाश्चर्यबालम्
त्वामेव श्यामलाङ्गं वदनसरसिजन्यस्तपादाङ्गुलीकम्
त्वामेव श्यामलाङ्गौ वदनसरसिजन्यस्तपादाङ्गुलीकम्
After
याते
this verse, 1 minute. So after this verse, we have to chant our that Kararavindena. Do you know that verse? Kararavindena Padaravindam. No? Okay. Then please write down. Kararavindena Padaravindam Mukharavinde Viniveshayantam.
Ma'am, could you please repeat that line again?
Yeah. Kararavindena Padaravindam Mukharavinde Viniveshayantam. Got? Second line.
Thank you, ma'am.
Second line. Vatasya Patrasya
Can you
Pute
repeat Vatasya?
Vatasya Patrasya Patrasya Vatasya Patrasya Pute Shayanam. Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Okay.
is there a certain
Kara.
tune to it?
Yeah.
Tune
So
to it.
yeah. Coming. Everything is coming. Wait a minute. So repeat again. Kararavindena Padaravindam Mukharavinde Viniveshayantam. Vatasya Patrasya Pute Shayanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Kararavindena Padaravindam Mukharavinde Viniveshayantam Vatasya Patrasya Pute Shayanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Meaning, I will tell along with the shlok when it will come. Or you want me to tell now only? It will be clear. Let us see. Kararavindena, third case. Aravinda, lotus. By your lotus hand. Kara is hand. Aravinda is lotus. Third case means instrument. By or with your lotus-like hand. Padaravindam. Aravindam again, lotus. Your lotus-like pada, feet. Second case. Mukharavinde. Aravinda again, lotus. Saptami. Aravinde, deve. Mukharavindaye. In the mouth. Viniveshayantam. With your lotus-like hand, your lotus-like feet, you have kept in your lotus-like mouth. Okay? Kararavindena, by. Padaravindam, that object. Mukharavinde, saptami, in the mouth. All clear? Aravinda is lotus. Aravindena, aravindam, aravinde. All clear? One is kara, another is pada, and last one is mukha. Okay? Then, the next line. Vatasya, shashti. Patrasya, shashti. Vata is the banyan tree. Vada vriksha. Vata vriksha. patra, of that leaf, and of that putte, in the fold of that banyan leaves fold. Shayanam, you are lying down, you are sleeping. That Balamukunda, Manasa, with my mind, where is my Smarami, that is our, like Patami, I am remembering that Bhagavan in that form, in the Balamukunda form. I am Manasa Smarami, thinking in my mind that Balamukunda, who with his lotus-like hand has taken his lotus-like feet and placed it in his lotus-like mouth, sleeping on the fold of a banyan leaf. Clear? Okay. Now you go back to the verse. Yate Tvayashu.
याते त्वय्याशु वाताकुलजलदगलत्तोयपूर्णातिघूर्णत्सप्तार्णो राशिमग्ने याते त्वय्याशु वाताकुलजलदगलत्तोयपूर्णातिघूर्णत्सप्तार्णो राशिमग्ने जगति सतु जले सम्भ्रमन् वर्षकोटिः दीनः प्रैक्षिष्टदूरे वटदलशयनं कञ्चिदाश्चर्यबालं त्वामेव श्यामलाङ्गं वदनसरसिजन्यस्तपादाङ्गुलीकम् करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तं वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटे शयानं बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि.
Very beautifully done. Thank you so much. Okay, now let us see. Yate Tvai Ashu. Tvai Ashu. We have seen that Sandhi earlier in that earlier verse. Now it is with the Ashu word. Where was that word? Tvayeva, like that or something we saw somewhere. In the second verse we saw Tvayeva. So like that over here, Tvayashu, one extra year is coming. That is all our Sandhi rules. Sandhi. So Yate Tvai Ashu. When you have Ashu left immediately, God has come, giving him darshan, granting him boons. He doesn't want. He wants to see Lord's Maya. Now Lord goes away. Yate Tvai Ashu. The moment Lord has left, immediately that time what has happened, this big story has happened in those two lines. Vata akula jalada galat toya purna ati ghurnata saptarno rashi magne. So much we will say. So this Arno Rashi is this Samudra. Saptarna Rashi is the seven Samudra, seven ocean. Bhavarnava we have said now. Samudra. Samsara Sagar we said no. So Arnava we have seen the word. So now it has come this Arno Rashi, this Sapta Urna Rashi, this seven. They have become Rashi Magna. They have submerged. By how? This wind and this Vatakula Jalada, these clouds, and this Toya Purna Ghurnata, this immense chaos has happened. It's raining torrentially, water is overflowing from everywhere, and these clouds have been Vatakula, tossed here and there. Such a scene has come, and that whole thing has submerged. And then in that jale, in that water, Varsha Kotihi Sambhraman. This Markandeya ji, he was for millions of years tossing and turning in that water, in that deluge that has formed. Then Deenaha, third line, he was exhausted. That time, Prakshishtat Dure, far away, Prakshishta, he saw Vatadala Shayanam. On the Vatadala, on the Vatapatra, on the banyan leaf, Shayanam, sleeping, he saw Kanchit Ascharya Balam, a wonder. Some child he saw. That time, Twameva Shwamalangam. It was you only in that blue complexion. Vadana Sarasi Janyasta Padangulikam. Vadana in the mouth, Sarasi, the lotus-like mouth, Janya, Nyasta Padangulikam, keeping the toe in the mouth. You were only sleeping over there, the blue shade. He saw. Who saw? Markandeya saw. Suddenly, out of nowhere, one leaf is floating in the water. On that, Bhagwanji's darshan as a Balamukunda he saw. Yate tvaya shuvata kula jaladagalat toya purnati ghurnat saptarno rashi magne jagati satu jale sambhraman varsha koti deenaf praikshishta dure vatadala shayanam kanchidascharya balam tvameva shya. Can mute yourself, Lalitama. Tvameva shyamalangam vadana sarasi janyastapadangulikam. Kararavindena padaravindam mukharavinde viniveshayantam vatasya patrasya puteshayanam. Lalita Ma, please, can you mind your mic?
It's on mute. I just now
No,
switched
not
it
for
on.
you, not for you. She has now muted. She knew the one whose mic was on. She has muted herself. It was Lalita Balasubramanian, not Lalita Rajavalichi. Vatasya patrasya puteshayanam balam mukundam manasa smarami. What happens is not that flow and willing goes when we have to mind people. It happens by error, but we have to be alert. We can't go in tamas. We are in a Narayan session. Okay, Radhakrishnan ji for the 9th verse.
8th, I think. maybe.
8th, sorry, I forgot.
8th.
Oh. Yeah, 8th. I missed the 8th. I've turned already the page. Very good. That's Drishtva tvam hrishtharoma tvaritamupagata sprashtukamo munindraha.
दृष्ट्वा त्वां हृष्टरोमा त्वरितमुपगतः स्प्रष्टुकामो मुनीन्द्रः
श्वासेनान्तर्निविष्टः पुनरिह सकलं दृष्टवान् विष्टपौखम्.
श्वासेनान्तर्निविष्टः पुनरिह सकलं दृष्टवान् विष्टपौखम्
भूयोऽपि श्वासवातैर्बहिरनुपतितो वीक्षितस्त्वत्कटाक्षैः.
भूयो विश्वासवादैर्बहिरनुपतितो वीक्षितस्त्वत्कटाक्षैः
मोदादाश्लेष्टुकामस्त्वयि पिहिततनौ स्वाश्रमे प्राग्वदासि.
मोदादाश्लेष्टुकामस्त्वयि पिहिततनौ स्वाश्रमे प्राग्वदासीत् दृष्ट्वा त्वां हृष्टरोमा त्वरितमुपगतः स्प्रष्टुकामो मुनीन्द्रः श्वासेनान्तर्निविष्टः पुनरिह सकलं दृष्टवान् विष्टपौखम् भूयोऽपि श्वासवादैर्बहिरनुपतितो वीक्षितस्त्वत्कटाक्षैः मोदादाश्लेष्टुकामस्त्वयि पिहिततनौ स्वाश्रमे प्राग्वदासीत्.
Just see what a beauty is happening in this verse. Drishtva. Now he is in that delusion for millions of years. And in this now banyan leaf, one small badak, one wonder he has seen. So Drishtva, seeing you, Rishta Roma, he got goosebumps. And Tvaritam Upagataha, he reaches to you very hurriedly in Sprushta Kamaha to touch you. This Munindra, this great sage, wanted to touch you. Sprashtu Kamaha, Upagataha Tvaritam, and how he was? Rishta Roma. By what? Drishtvatvam, seeing you like that on that banyan leaf. Then what happens? Shvasenantar Nimishtaha. Bhagwan breathe in. And Bhagwan breath, Markandeya Muni has gone in Bhagwan through his nose with that breath. Shvasenantar Vishtaf Punariha. What is that doubt? Vishtaf? Vishtaf. Didn't we say Vishtaf?
No, you said Vishtah.
Oh, then Vishtaf. Okay. Thank you for pointing, Ma. Thank you. Vishtaf. So, Shvasenantar Vishtaha. While chanting, I said Vishtaha, not Vishtaf.
You said Vishtaha.
While explaining the meaning or while chanting?
While chanting also.
Oh, then it's wrong. Vishtaf it should be. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. So, Shvasena Antar Vishtaha. With Bhagwan took Markandeya Swami in him through his breath. Then, Punaha, again, Iha, Sakalam Drishtavan Vishtapaugham. All the worlds and universe, again he saw inside. And Bhuya api, again, Shvasavatai Bahihi Anupatitaha. And with the exhalation, now he has fallen out. From Bhagwan's exhalation, now he has fallen out. And Vikshitaha Tvat Katakshahi, and he got a glance. Bhagwan has also seen him, he has also seen him through that glance, side glance. That gave him moda. He became so happy, and in that happiness, moda, Ashleshtum Kamaha, he wanted to hug Lord. But Tvaipi Hitatano. But Lord disappeared that time. And then what happens? Swa Ashrame, in his ashram from where it began, Pragvat, like before Pragvat, Asit. He was just like before in that ashrama where he was meditating. Where was this deluge? What water? Where banyan leaf? Where Krishna? Nothing. He just came out seeing all the world and he's seeing the Lord. He's wanting to hug. Lord has gone with the blink of the eye. He's sitting in his ashram like Pragvat, like how it was early. And so nothing happened. Where did those million years when? God alone knows. It was washed away. Bhagwan's Maya. He wanted to see Maya, right? Drishtva tvam hrushtaroma tvaritamupagatas prashtukamo munindraha shvasenantar nivishtav punariha sakalan drishtavan vishtapaukham Bhuyo Vishwasavatair Bahiranupatito Vikshitastvatkakakshaihi Odadashleshtu Kamastvaipi Hitatanau Swashrume Pragvadasit. The Vishtaf. Did I say Vishtaf Punariha now or what did I say now? Did I say it correct?
I don't know. We couldn't hear that sound clearly. It sounded more like Vishta.
Ma'am, that time also you said.
Huh?
That time also you said Vinishtaf only. Swa only you said.
That's what I'm doubting myself. So later on I'll watch the recording and figure it out. So now after it finished also again, did I say or did I not say? Anyways, not say. Okay, let's go
Only
ahead.
while explaining the meaning, no, you use the visarga. Explain the
Yeah,
meaning,
so
you
that
said
is, yes,
vinishtaha.
because when we,
Yeah, break. Otherwise, you said fa only.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Okay, next. Samanati, number 9. गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदथ गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी
गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदत् गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी प्रेक्षणार्थी
पुरभिदथ गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदधथ गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी
गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदधथ गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी
प्रियप्रेक्ष वित्वा
Which one?
प्रियप्रेक्ष द्वित्वा प्रियप्रेक्ष
Priyapreksha. Okay. Can I tell once more? Gaurya sardhan tadagre purabhidadhat dadhat gatastvat priya
पुरभिदथ
purabhidath gatastvat priya prekshanarthi
सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतो भूत्
सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयं जरा मृत्युतादीन.
स्वयमयमजरा. Everything you have to say. Can't miss.
Okay. सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन गतो भूत्.
No is not there. Teen is halant.
दीन. Okay.
No is halant.
सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा
Siddhane was tune. Siddha, second line.
सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा.
Second line tune. Siddhane vasya dattva स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतो भूत्
सिद्धाने वास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतो भूत्.
दीस् दीर्घा एवं त्वत्सेवयैव स्मररिपुरपि स प्रीयते येन तस्मात्. So ending.
एवं त्वत्सेवयैव स्मररिपुरपि स प्रीयते येन तस्मात्.
प्रीयते
येन तस्मात्.
सप्रियते द्वित्वा सप्रियते.
Okay. एवं त्वत्सेवयैव स्मररिपुरपि स प्रीयते येन तस्मात्.
मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वन्ननु सकलनियन्तेति सुव्यक्तमासीत्.
मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वन्ननु सकलनीयन्तेति
सुव्यक्तमासीत्.
मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वन्ननु सकलनीयन्तेति सुव्यक्तमासीत्. गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदधत् गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी सिद्धानेवास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतोऽभूत् एवं त्वत्सेवयैव स्मररिपुरपि स प्रीयते येन तस्मात् मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वं ननु सकलनि
Murti is rasva, and that's why it will be dvitva. Murtitrayatmakastvam.
मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वं ननु सकलनियन्तेति सुव्यक्तमासीत्.
So, Gaurya Sardham. Gaurya, third case, like Nadya. Sardham with Gauri. Tadagre, in front of this Rishimuni. Purabhidatha. Tadagre, went before Markandeya Rishi. Gataha. Tvat Priya Prekshanartham. Tvat Priya. Bhattatari ji saying to the Lord, your devotee, your favorite devotee. To see your favorite devotee with Gauri went in front of Markandeya. Who? That will come in the next slide. No. Sorry. Purabhidadata. Puraha. So Lord Shiva, who is Purabhita. Purabhita is Tripura, destroying of Tripura, Purabhidata. So Lord Shiva, along with Parvati, went in front of Markandeya Rishi to see Vishnu's favorite devotee. Tvat Priya Prekshanartham. To see your favorite devotee, they landed in front of this great Rishi. Siddha. Where did I go? Siddhane Vasya. He was Siddha. He had already Siddha also. What? Dattva, giving Swayam, Ayam, Majara, Mrityutadi. Ajara, Mrityuta. Jara, old age. Ajara, without old age. Without old age. And also Mrityu. They are bestowing on him long life without any health issues. But Siddhavan already, Markandeya with his tapa, he already has this. He has not asked for it, but that is Bhagwan, Ishvara's and Parvati's way of giving him a boon like that. Then, third line, Evam, in this way, Tvat Seva Eva Smara Ripurapi. Tvat Seva Eva Smara Ripu. Smara Kamadeva. Smarari. So, destroyer of the Kama, by your seva, sapriyate yena tasmat. By your worship alone can Kamadeva be conquered. Therefore, Murti Trayatmakahatvam. Three Murtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Tvam. It is you only. And Sakala Niyanta, the controller of everything, also is you only. Suvyaktamasi. This has been established over here now. So, by bhakti towards the Lord, all other gods are also getting into the favor. Because all other gods are nothing but our Krishna only. Whether it is Brahmaji or Shivji, everything is Vishnu Maya only. And this is it showing that you are only the inner controller and you are also the other gods, because everybody is getting happy with that. So this verse is just showing that how Markandeya has stopped on all the Bhakta list. That the gods are descending down to see who is Vishnuji's favorite devotee. Gaurya Sardhan Tadagre Purabhidadhat पुरभिदथ गतस्त्वत्प्रियप्रेक्षणार्थी सिद्धानेवास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतोऽभूत् एवं त्वत्सेवयैव स्मररिपुरपि स प्रीयते येन तस्मात् मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वन्ननु सकलनियन्तेति सुव्यक्तमासीत्. सीता लक्ष्मी जी. Last but not the least, त्र्यंशस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् मन्दिराण्यूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वम्
त्रय्यांशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् त्र्यंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् मन्दिरान् यूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वम्
तेभ्योऽप्यूर्ध्वन्तु माया विकृतिविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः
तेभ्योऽप्यूर्ध्वन्तु माया विकृतिविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः
तत्र त्वं कारणाम्भस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी
तत्र त्वं कारणाम्भस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी
सच्चिद्ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात्
सच्चिद्ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात् त्र्यंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् मन्दिरान् यूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वम् तेभ्योऽप्यूर्ध्वन्तु माया विकृतिविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः तत्र त्वं कारणाम्भस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी सच्चिद्ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द.
त्र्यंशस्मिन् सत्यलोके, in satyaloka त्र्यंशस्मिन्, 3 अंशास, 3 parts are there where Vidhi, Brahmaji, Hari, Vishnuji, Purabhi, Lord Purabhi, Lord Shiva, their Mandirani, their houses are there Urdhva, Mandirani, Urdhva, one above the other. Vidhi, Hari and Tebhyopi Urdhvam, and above that Maya Vikruti Virahitaha, without any influence of Maya, Bhati Vaikuntha Loka. Vaikuntha Loka shines above all that where Maya is not touching. Tatra Tvam, over there also, Karanambhasi api, Ambha, water. Karanambhasi, in the causal waters. Pashupakule, you are there in causal water also, you are there in Vaikuntha also, and you are there in Pashupakule also, in Gokula also, along with all the cowherd boys. How you are? Shuddha Sattva Ekarupa. You are that pure bliss Sattva Swarupa. And how is your nature? Sat Chit Brahma Dvayatma. You are that Sat, you are that Chit, and you are that Advaya. Non-dual. O Pavanapurapate, Guruvairappa, Pahi Mam Sarvarogat, protect me from all kinds of diseases. Triamshesmin Satyaloke, Vidhiharipurabhin Mandiranyurdhvamurdhvam, Tebhyopyurdhvantu Maya, Vikruti Virahito, भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः तत्र त्वं कारणाभस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी सच्चिद्ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. See, with his immense krupa, we are finishing on time, surprisingly. When this, we're doing one dashakam as full in one class. Oh God. Not in my control. The whole Zoom only shut down, but cannot help. So with his krupa, we have completed this. And when the dashakam, we do it as a whole, it will remain with us whole. Let's do the parayan. I had seen Lata Karthik ji's hand, and now you are not. So those who have not chanted before,
Varshaji,
ji,
we heard only half. We only heard half of your verse. Can you finish chanting the verse, please?
Oh, okay. So I didn't know at what point I got disconnected. Okay. त्र्यंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् मन्दिराण्यूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वम् तेभ्योऽप्यूर्ध्वम् तु माया विकृतिविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः तत्र त्वं कारणाभस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी सच्चिद्ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With his immense krupa on us, he gave us sadbuddhi to do one dashaka in that class so that it remains full as one topic and it remains clear. We have got enough time for Parayan. Those who have not got chance to chant, first will get the chance. Please raise hands, those who want to volunteer to do the Parayan. Anyone else? Okay. Shamalaji, you got a chance, I think so. I'm searching those who didn't get the chance to chant. There are only 4 hands. One more hand can I have? One who has not chanted before? Okay, Karen. Good. So, Sahana, you will start. 1 and 2 for Sahana, 3 and 4 for Lata Karthik ji, 5 and 6 for Indra ji, 7 and 8 for Shobha ji, and Lakshmi ji, 9 and 10. Madhuta ji and Arjunanika, but we have chanted, but we'll see. We have time, then we'll start the second round. Okay, let's start. Sahana ji, you can start for us.
त्रैगुण्याद् भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमध्योत्तमं यत् ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरपि सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः त्वत्क्षेत्रत्वन्निषेवादितु यदिह पुनस्त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वं प्राहुर्नैगुण्यनिष्ठं तदनु भजनतो मंशु सिद्धो भवेयम् त्वय्येव न्यस्तचित्तः सुखमयि विचरन् सर्वचेष्टास्त्वदर्थं त्वद्भक्तैः सेव्यमानानपि चरितचरा नाश्रयन् पुण्यदेशान् तस्यौ विप्रे मृगादिष्वपि च सममतेर्मुच्यमानावमानस्पर्धासूयादिदोष सततमखिलभूतेषु सम्पूजये त्वाम्
त्वद्भावो यावदेषु स्फुरति न विशदन् तावदेवं ह्युपास्तिं कुर्वन्नैकात्म्यबोधे झटिति विकसति त्वन्मयोऽहञ्चरेयम् त्वद्धर्मस्यास्य तावत् किमपि न भगवन् प्रस्तुतस्य प्रणाशः तस्मा सर्वात्मनैव प्रदिश मम विभो भक्तिमार्गं मनोज्ञम् तञ्चैनं भक्तियोगं दृढयितुमयि मे साध्यमारोग्यमायुर्दृष्ट्या तत्रापि सेव्यं तव चरणमहो भेजजायेव दुग्धम् मार्कण्डेयो हि पूर्वं द्वादशाब्दायुरुच्चैः सेवित्वा वत्सरं त्वां तव भटनिवहै द्रावयामास मृत्युम्
चिरायुस् स खलु पुनरपे त्वत्परः पुष्पभद्रा तेरे निन्ये तपस्यन् अतुलसुकरतेः शत्रुमन्वन्तराणि देवेन्द्र सप्तमस्तं सुरयुवति मरुन् मन्मथैर्मोहयिष्यन् योगेश्म प्लुष्यमानैः न तु पुनरशखत् त्वज्जनं निर्जये कः प्रीत्या नारायणाख्यस्त्वमथ नरसखः प्राप्तवानस्य पार्श्वं तुष्ट्या तुष्टूयमानः स तु विविध वरैर्लोभितो नानुमेने द्रष्टुं मायां त्वदीयां किल पुनरवृणोत् भक्तितृप्तान्तरात्मा माया दुःखानभिज्ञयस् तदपि मृगयते नूनमाश्चर्यहेतोः
या ते त्वय्याशु पूर्णाति सप्तार्णो राशिमग्ने जगति सतु जले सम्भ्रमन् वर्षकोटिः दीनः प्रैक्षिष्टदूरे वटदलशयनं कञ्चिदाश्चर्यबालम् त्वामेव श्यामलाङ्गं वदनसरसिजन्यस्तपादाङ्गुलीकम् करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तं वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटे शयानं बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि दृष्ट्वा त्वां हृष्टरोमा त्वरितमुपगतः स्प्रष्टुकामो मुनीन्द्रः श्वासेनान्तर्निविष्टः पुनरिह सकलं दृष्टवान् विष्टपौघम् भूयोऽपि श्वासवातैर्बहिरनुपतितो वीक्षितस्त्वत्कटाक्षैः मोदादाश्लेष्टुकामस्त्वयि पिहिततनौ स्वाश्रमे प्राग्वदासीत्
गौर्या सार्धं तदग्रे पुरभिदतगतस्त्वत्प्रिया प्रेक्षणार्थी सिद्धान्नेवास्य दत्त्वा स्वयमयमजरा मृत्युतादीन् गतोऽभूत् एवं त्वत्सेव एव स्मररिपुरपि सम्प्रीतयेन तस्मात् मूर्तित्रयात्मकस्त्वं ननु सकलयिनर्तेति सुव्यक्तमासीत् त्रंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् अन्मदिराणुयुध्वा मूर्ध्वं तेभ्यो Varshaji, how do I say the second line?
Yeah. Vidihara paridhin mandiranyurdhvamurdhvam tebhyopyurdhvantu maya.
Okay. Trayam, right? Trayam shade.
Oh, that first one. त्र्यंशे. त्र अनुस्वारं त्र्यंशे.
त्रयंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन् अन्मदिराणुयुध्वमूर्ध्वम् तेभ्यो यूर्ध्वं तु माया विकृतविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः तत्र त्वं
कारण causal. Karanambhasi causal water.
कारणाभस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी सच्चित् ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात्. सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते. Sorry.
No, good. Kids had raised hand. Kids, are you there still? Arjun, Anish, Anita?
Kids are not there.
Kids are not. Oh, you had raised hand. Oh, you had also not chanted.
That's okay.
You chant the last verse again.
त्र्यंशोऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके त्र्यंशेऽस्मिन् सत्यलोके विधिहरिपुरभिन्मन्दिराण्यूर्ध्वमूर्ध्वम् तेभ्योऽप्यूर्ध्वन्तु माया विकृतिविरहितो भाति वैकुण्ठलोकः तत्र त्वं कारणाभ्यस्यपि पशुपकुलेषु
Karanambha. So ambhasi is the word. Karanambhasi api.
तत्र त्वं कारणाम्भस्यपि पशुपकुले शुद्धसत्त्वैकरूपी सच्चित् ब्रह्माद्वयात्मा पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात्. सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
With his immense grace, we have finished 97 also. Slowly inching into 98. 98, very beautiful one. I hope, I want to do it with Sahana next week. So if the kids will chant first 3 verses, Sahana, you would be there to do the remaining of the Dashakam, right?
Yes, I will be there.
Yes, we want you for that. So the kids and Sahana would complete the Dashakam. It's very beautiful. Lot of exercises needed, so come prepared. We have to offer Namaskara. It's Guru Vairappa Namaskara after every verse. Okay. So we'll see that. And if possible, memorize it. The next, that 98 one is just coming. Last 10 are to be memorized, but those who are not possible, at least do the 98 one, which we are going to do on Monday. It's going to be very beautiful. And then 99 and 100. We are inching slowly. Those who have not yet joined the meditation, do join. 1 week is finishing now, tomorrow with it. So we have graduated from our personal altar Krishna to the cosmic Krishna. So first stage is finishing tomorrow. Then something more will happen in the second stage. Don't miss out on that. Join. 3 weeks commitment. 1 week is finished. 2 more weeks commitment is needed. Then something else will come. Something else will come for Eknathi Bhagavad session. Chakra meditation will come. Then some other meditation will come. Tomorrow 6th chapter Gita is starting for the Wednesday batch. That meditation will come. So join somewhere, something to do. We need it. Okay, let's end today's session. Again, before time. This before time feeling is very good. Huh? Always borrowed time and lived throughout the Narayan session and always delaying them. So till 7 o'clock we have taken time. Happy. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
Join
Varsha
us
ji.
next Monday. Definitely join. Hari
Hari
Om.
Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Om
Thank you,
Varsha
Dr.
ji.
Varsha.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Hari
Namaste.
Om.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Hari Om. Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Thank you very much, Varsha ji.
Varshaji, I've joined late for the meditation group.
Doesn't matter.
So what do I do? The previous ones I catch up
Previous
on.
ones, yeah, you catch up. Any
Okay.
number of times we can do meditation. So catch up. Please catch up.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om ji. Thank you. Thank
Hari
you.
Om, Varshaji. Thank you.
Thank you. Indraji, your chanting is becoming excellent day by day. I'm so happy to hear when you chant. Amazing. What script you are using while chanting?
English?
See, in that also, perfect pronunciations. Excellent.
Thank
Good.
you, Varsha ji. Thank you so much.
My
It's all
pleasure.
your teaching. I'm
Mm.
writing now. I'm familiar with the alphabets, but I'm not able to read it fast. So
It's okay. Slowly. Keep on practicing. It will come.
the writing Bhagavad Gita is helping me a lot, Varsha ji.
Yes. And your writing is also perfect. You're doing it so neatly. So beautiful.
Thank you, Varsha ji. Thank you
My
so much.
pleasure. Which city you are in? Malaysia?
No, Chennai.
Oh, you're in Chennai. Okay, okay. I thought you were in Malaysia.
No.
Chennai, yeah. So you will come to the call.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om. Hari Om.